Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Human Fall Flat. Well, it's not another video. It's a new video because I haven't played Human Fall Flat before. Well, I have, but not on recording. Oh! Epic fight! No! Here. I'm on pause, okay? I'm on pause.
Get ready to die.
Pause. If you guys are wondering about this character, oh!
Die!
Stop! I need to start the train.
Nah, I can't run over, boy.
No. Oh no, you don't get it. Oh! No! Die.
Ah!
I know that this is like the Christmas level. It's like January 7th. Wait, oh, we broke the train. Go run.
We did.
We actually broke the train. Oh, it's coming now. It's coming again. Oh, I think we just slowed it down on accident. How are you not taking any damage? Okay, I have an idea.
You don't take damage in this game.
Oh yeah, but you like fall down, you know? What I mean? I wish you could go in first person. That would be so epic. I just hit myself. Drive-by shooters. Bro, if this is an FPS game, like a first-person shooter, that would be so cool. Oh! I fell off the map.
I'm using this to launch myself closer.
Hold on, I have an idea. I was gonna load it and then just spam. Oh! No! Wait, I can launch myself. That's so cool.
No! Come on, launch! Launch! No!
You will die. Oh! Oopsies.
This is epic music, though.
I know, right? Wait, it could be copyright.
Nah, I don't think so.
Yeah, probably not. Because people record Seem a lot. Oh! Oh! No.
Now's my chance.
Eat rice. Oh, she wanted
Come on.
rice. Yeah.
Oh! I'm trying to shoot you right now. Oh my god!
Oh, yes. Get wrecked.
Ah!
This is epic content. Oh! Wait.
Did you launch yourself?
Yeah, I fell. Okay.
Come on, get up. Get up before the monster comes. Ah! You missed. My butt is
missing. Yes. No. Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm gonna do like bombardment. I don't know what the word is. You keep shooting yourself.
Come on, boy.
How did you survive that? Like honestly, how?
Too good.
No, you're not. It's way better than you.
It's over and again. I have the high ground.
Oh yeah? You might have the high ground for now, buddy, but not for long.
I need to go. I need to
Come
go.
on. No, he's gonna get in the sled. The snowboard. Oh, it went flying! It went flying! Oh!
Yo!
Oh!
Die!
Oh!
Die! Die!
No! Come on, I will shoot you.
Come on.
Bro, look up. Now look down. No! I failed. Come on, get on your sled and come fight me. I see you. you're gonna get us copyrighted.
PewDiePie didn't get copyrighted.
Okay. Yo, where's it? Oh yeah, I forgot we broke it. Are you still alive? Oh yeah! No!
It's over and again!
Wait, I can just still shoot you. And boom! No. I'm gonna boost myself.
I fell.
No! I fell! Oh, I shot myself in the butt! Wait, are you still alive? Oh no, you fell. Oh, where are you? You still alive?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
I'll give you a hint. It's the thing we did in the ice level.
Oh my god.
You remember?
Yeah, I remember, but I don't know where you are.
I see you.
Here, let me see and try to find where you are. I don't see you. I know that he's not on the bottom of that mountain and that one. Like this. Oh my god. Did I hit you? Did I hit you?
No.
Okay, I'm coming then. Okay, if you guys want to do this and like troll your friends and say let's play hide and seek, so all you have to do is just like do this, you know? Okay, just watch me.
I'll give you guys a link to Mateo's POV.
I'll give you guys a link to his Justin. I watched you fall. It's very traumatizing.
I hate you.
You hit me? I'm telling the cops. It's abuse. Fall down. I see a giant snowman at the top right of my screen. People say top right.
I fell down again.
Oh! You actually got me.
No!
Damn! Epic battle! Epic battle! Okay, actually no, hold on. Let's take the time to go down there and then we can have a battle down there, okay?
Did you just say okay, Jimmy?
I said, are you kidding me? Not okay, Jimmy. The new okay boomer. Okay, Jimmy.
Okay, Jimmy.
Go away. Oh,
What?
What if some person is so dumb they say I'm not a man of God, I'm a man of Jesus.
I'm a man of what?
Jesus. Oh! No! Fight me! Epic battle time. I keep flopping around.
Alright, baby.
I need to grab onto you. Oh, shoot! Oh, we're moving around so much. Oh, no.
Fall down,
Why is
baby.
my name being up? Oh, shoot, you moved me.
Oh! You're falling!
It's a first-person shooter. I'm in first person.
Me too! senpai. Save me, senpai. Ah!
Oh no, I fell. Hold on, where's the train? Did we really break the train? Yeah, we broke the train. It's still going, but like, not. No. Whoever made the train, bro, it's a first-person shooter now. Oh, never mind. No, you don't. Here, I want to try it. Let me try it. Let me get in. Let me get in.
Hey, I've never tried it. Oh, it's going up.
Oh! Okay, stop. Oh, let's go. Oh no. Oh! Let me get in. Let me get in.
Oh! Whoa!
Whoa! Where did you go? Oh, what the? I'm just gonna do it off so then it resets.
Hey, baby. No! No!
Ha 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 ha. No, why is it up? Here, let me put it down. Okay, let me put it down. No, let's go in the air and have a battle. Okay? Let's go in the air battle. How are you so good at that?
You
Okay, it's
mean
good.
how
It's so
am I
good. It's
so-
so good. No. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Go.
You go. You do it since you're closer.
We can't hit our shot. Okay, come on. No, come on the sled. Come on the sled, and then we can have an epic battle on the sled.
I fell.
Come on the sled, and then we can have an epic battle. Okay, take this, like this.
Did you see the rapping for Jesus thing I sent?
No, I didn't. Oh my god. Guys, search
You
up
did?
on YouTube, rapping for Jesus. Okay, I haven't personally, but he has. So, is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, rapping for Jesus. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, watch this.
rapping for Jesus.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you take both of your hands, put them on the ground, and then you just look up. Okay, wait, hold on. Here, not yet, okay? Go on, here, come on the sled, Oh, no. No! I went by! Oh, no! Oh, he stopped us.
You stopped it.
I know. I think I didn't know that. Watch it. Oh my god.
What? Jesus Christ is my wife.
Alright, here, come on. Let's go in here, okay? Let's go in here.
They're
I'm on the blue team
falling.
and you're on the red team. No, okay.
What the heck, dude?
Frosty the Snowman. Oh! I killed Frosty the Snowman! Oh, shoot.
Frosty, my
The
booty.
snowman died a very tragic death.
Oh! Oh! I fell all the way.
Frosty the Snowman died a very tragic death. Frosty the Snowman died a very tragic death. Alright. I'm gonna come with the drive-by, okay? You ready? I don't think you're ready for this. You are not ready for the amount of ready. Oh, Frosty!
You killed him again?
No, look at his head is right next to me.
Where?
Right next to me. I said. Oh.
radical, dude.
Oh!
I made it to the top.
I can't get out of this thing. How?
I died.
Wait, how? Watch my skills on the pro skater Tony Hawk. Look at me jiggle. I'm a pro skater Tony Hawk. Thought you said that you died. What? What happened to I died?
No, I died. That was a while ago.
You gotta boost yourself. Boost! How did you fall? Oh, what if I go in with the thing? Okay, wrong way.
Bro, just do this. Hang on. Just do this.
Good job.
I blew up your head.
No. Bro, come on, we got to save it. Oh shit. No! Wait, yes. Good thing I don't have this annoying snowboard anymore. Okay, this is actually okay. We have to actually use it correctly. Look up and look up in the sky. Okay, this stupid thing is. No. What are you doing? Stop! What are you doing?
Oh!
No. Oh my god. Yeah, we're going this way. Okay, we're going this way this time. Oh! Somehow I went up this way. I'm gonna die.
Wait, you still went up?
I went up. I came up here somehow. Ah! Ah!
Look at my muscle! Ah! Look, I'm carrying a whole entire catapult.
Let me see this.
Yeah.
Fine, I don't believe you. Oh my god, you are. What a brave.
Ah!
Oh!
You idiot.
I'm gonna make it so that you have more work.
Ah! You scared me.
Ah! Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. What is, oh, how did you even do that?
I don't know.
Oh! Oh, shoot. I must use my big boy muscles. Bless you.
Never.
Oh, battle! Oh no.
No!
The catapult disappeared! Oh shit. God.
Body slam!
Hold on, real quick. What is this? Over here? No, just stop. What is this over here? Excuse me? I didn't know what is over here.
That's because Jesus Christ is biting bigger.
Ooh. No.
Ah!
Yeah, bye. Ooh, yeah. Correct. Okay. On, if we sing Juice WRLD songs, he can't copyright us because, yeah.
No, but YouTube is a robot that does.
If you're watching us robot, then you're fat and stinky. I'm not in first person. Now I am. Oh shoot! Oh, I'm doing the backhand shots. Look at this. I got the backhand. Keep missing. It's up my butt. No. Get away from me. Hold on, thought. Away.
I have it up your butthole. I have it up your
My
butt.
hand. Okay, I dare you to shoot now. Body slam. I'm gonna push. I'm gonna throw you off.
Where's the train?
It's over here.
Go away!
Copyright.
What do you mean? I'm just saying go away.
We got dots.
That's it. That's it. I'm muting you.
Bro, are you Ligon D's? Are you Ligon D balls?
We actually broke it.
Bro, I was just kidding. I know you're not Ligon D's.
Ah!
Are you Sokon? Sokon D balls, boy.
Body.
He's gonna buy us. Lick the balls.
Ah!
Wait, the train's working! The train! The train! The train! Where'd it come from?
My ass.
Okay, buddy.
Holy!
No.
Hyperspin! Hyperspin!
Come here, buddy! Oh no.
The train! No,
I'll break the train again if you don't. Let's
Get
go.
away!
Oh, I think I broke the train again. I keep shooting the caboose. I have an idea. He'll never expect this. He'll never, ever, ever expect this. Ah! Are you still in the train? Oh, shit.
No. You idiot.
Ah, yes you are! Get off my face, kid! Ah! Lick on the balls.
Lick on these balls. Lick on these balls. Lick on my balls. Where'd you go?
You'll never know. It's going backwards. I need. Oh shoot! Oh, you don't know where I am. It's a distress signal.
Distress signals.
Distress signal. No, dude, come to me. I want to show you where I am. It's a cool spot. I'm the first person shooter. You know where I am? Are you above me right now?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
You're gonna get us copyright. Bro, look, it's the Grinch's mountain.
Where?
You don't see the big mountain?
Oh! I see something inside.
But you're already at it?